The first step to staying healthy is simple: breathing clean, fresh air. You breathe every minute of your life, awake or asleep, and most of that time, about 90–95%, is spent indoors. That means the quality of indoor air is extremely important for your health. Indoor air isn't always as fresh as outdoor air. It can carry things like dust, mold, pet dander, bacteria, viruses, and chemicals from furniture or paint. Because buildings are sealed up tightly today, these things get trapped and float around longer inside. Air indoors is constantly moving, even though you can't see it. Tiny molecules of oxygen and nitrogen zip around faster than a race car, bouncing off walls, ceilings, and furniture. As they move, they keep dust, germs, and allergens floating in the air. Many particles are too small, or they get trapped in air swirls and never make it to the filter. That's why when sunlight shines through a window, you see dust hanging in the light. Filters like HEPA filters help, but they can't catch everything. That means germs and allergens can still float around and land on surfaces where people breathe, touch, or spread them. 50 years ago, homes breathed more. Today, houses are built much tighter to save energy, which keeps pollutants trapped inside. We also have more chemicals from furniture and flame retardants. Cleaning products and even electronic devices affect air quality. With less outdoor air coming in, indoor pollution builds up faster. Instead of relying only on filters, it's better to copy nature. Sunlight creates molecules that break down germs and odors outdoors. Indoors, technology can help recreate that process by giving particles enough weight to fall to the floor so you don't breathe them in, or by destroying bacteria and viruses directly. This proactive approach makes your air cleaner and your body healthier. HEPA filters use a simple idea from the 1940s. They wait for bad air to be pulled through a screen. But our indoor air problems are much bigger now, and pollutants often float around the room and never even reach the filter. Just like we upgraded from a basic rotary phone to a powerful smartphone, we need a better, more modern solution for cleaning our indoor air. We need to move from passive capture to a superior, proactive solution for clean air. The key difference between passive HEPA filters and proactive air purification machines lies in their approach to cleaning the air. A passive HEPA filter can only clean the air that is pulled directly through the filter, but smaller particles trapped in air currents continue to float around, endangering your health. A proactive machine releases beneficial molecules into the room that actively seek out and neutralize pollutants like bacteria, viruses, and odors, and cause airborne particles to fall out of the breathing space. The difference? While a filter waits for pollutants to come to it, a proactive system goes out to clean the entire space.